I'm Luke Barber. My company is Luke's Toy Factory, and we make a line of trucks that are also puzzles. So with these trucks, all the pieces are interchangeable. You can swap out any cab with any body. They don't require an exact level of fit. There's a certain amount of tolerance so that you don't really need to be precise when fitting them. Our company's mission is to prove that safe toys can be made in the United States at a competitive price. What really inspired us to get started was the wave of lead paint toy recalls in around 2008, 2009. And another thing that got me inspired to get started was the fact that out there in the toy market, I noticed a gap. There's a lot of toys that are very simple, one piece already put together, mostly for babies and very young children. And then the next step up is often a scale model or a building kit that's like 50 or 60 parts. There's nothing really in between those two levels in terms of complexity, so that's what I set out to design and make. We are a family company. In fact, we are two father and son teams. I design the toys, my father takes the pictures and runs the business side of things. The other father is our graphic designer, so he designed our logo and our packaging and everything, and his son does all of the social media for our company. And when there is a big order, then everybody pretty much drops what they're doing and puts together toys for the order. We begin by designing our products on a CAD software program, and then we 3D print them to see what works and what doesn't. This is what it looks like when it comes straight out of the printer. This is after the support material is cleaned away, and once we get the design that we like, we then have a mold made, and the parts that we sell are injection molded. Unlike traditional toys, which are made out of completely new plastic, our toys are made out of this material, which uses 1/3 repurposed sawdust, which comes up with a new use for a material that would have otherwise just been burned or thrown away. In addition to the environmental benefits of using this material, it also allows us to make toys that are very robust and thick and sturdy, and it gives a texture that a lot of people really like. They're very good for developing eye-hand coordination and active play as well. There's no passive play here. You don't press a button and just watch stuff happen. You actually have to move around and do things with these trucks. My favorite Luke's Toy Factory toy is our cargo truck. This is our best-selling product as well. I like it because of how the containers can be stacked and locked together. You can also put things in the containers, and even when you take away the containers, you can still put things in the truck bed itself. Probably my favorite thing about designing these products is seeing all the different ways that children put them together and all the different crazy designs they come up with. One of the ways that we are reducing environmental waste is, again, by the use of sawdust in our product, which would have otherwise just been a waste product. We're finding a second use for that. Another way that we're reducing our carbon footprint is by having everything manufactured as locally as possible. We're reducing the transportation-related carbon footprint. One new product that we are coming up with is a truck that, instead of using sawdust, uses a variety of different materials for its filler, so that you get a variety of different colors and textures from it. This truck, for example, uses walnut shells, flax fiber, and coconut shells as its filler material. And we hope to have this ready by Christmas. Next for our company is entering the export market. We have just been approved for European Union safety standards, and we're currently working on designing and making a multilingual European-style container for all of our toys.